What is up, everybody? I got something exciting for you.
Yeah, buddy.
I bought this. This is the Osmo Action 5 Pro. So, most of you guys know that I usually use my cell phone to record. I recently got an Osmo Pocket 3. I was a little concerned because the Osmo Pocket 3 can't really be in the elements. So I was using older GoPros and stuff, which I recently sold on online. And so what I got with these, this is kind of like my replacement like action camera. So I got the mount for the face shield. They call it the helmet chin mount clip for like motorcycles and stuff like that. And because you guys know I ride motorcycles and I want to start recording more of that. But I also have this backpack strap mount. So we're gonna open this up and see what it's all about. I'm gonna look real quick. I'm gonna pull up the app, and so I can tell you exactly what I bought. This is called the Adventure Combo, and it says that I got the combo. I bought the 2-year warranty on it because I didn't want nothing to go wrong with it. The backpack strap mount and the helmet chin mount, and it came out to $591. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's trying to follow my face. So yeah, let's see what comes in the Adventure Combo. I got that because it had most of what I wanted and needed to do what I do, to film what I film. So it says, oh man, you guys aren't gonna believe this. I'm old. I need glasses. Hold on. What do we have here? So now it's like a revolutionary imaging performance with all new 1 and 1.3 sensor, which is pretty good because a lot of them are smaller than that, and I was pretty happy with that, so I'll be really happy with it. So center track subjects with enhanced protection. Oh, so you can like track things on it. Dual HDR OLED touchscreens. Heck yeah. We've got 4 hours extended battery life. Professional audio recording with DJI microphone connection. Is that this? Woohoo! Maybe. I think it's supposed to link up with it automatically. Robot stabilization with 360-degree horizontal steady. So what it says, I'll just show you that. That's what it said. And then it says in the box, we got Osmo Action 5 Pro, extreme battery times 3, a battery case, a 1.5 extension rod. I don't know if that's 1.5 meters. That should be pretty good, like a 3.5 footer or so. A couple locking screws, protective frame, curved adhesion base, adapter mount, mini, and then it comes with a Type C cord. So yeah, let's get this bad rider open. Without further ado, get the old trusty blade, because why not, right? Anytime you can use your knife, you might as well. Which Damascus blade, an awesome little handle, was for my birthday a couple years ago. Got it at Shields in Billings, Montana, and that was the second trip of that live video I was talking about. So the third trip was just recently. Alright, let me give this to my accountant. That's where I put my bills anyway. Sheesh. Alright. I know a lot of people like to go over them and say, oh, here's the packaging is good, and I'm just like, whatever, get it open. Let's look at the goodies. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. Wow, that thing's a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, that's rad. So here's the case that it was talking about. Let me see. This reminds me a lot of like Apple packaging. To the accountant. And then, okay, here's the little adapters, the base. Alright, so it's kind of like the cage that they have for the GoPro. I like the ones where you just have the little thing, it doesn't come completely off. You slide it in there and then tensions it. Then you have your record button and your power button on the side. I've never actually owned one of these, so I don't even know how they operate. So there's going to be a learning curve here. And then we got this bad rider. A couple of the screws, which is very similar to the, these are fine thread. I don't know if they'll work with GoPro stuff. These are similar to the GoPro ones. I'm curious if a lot of that GoPro stuff would work with them. This looks like it might be, yeah, curved base. And I don't know what these are yet. So we'll figure that out as well. Are these like quick release? Oh yeah. So move them so you could. Alright. So it just has a little clip. I don't know if you guys can see that. Does it help if I do that? I always see people do that and it seems like it works. I don't really know what the heck they're doing. But, oh, a little silicone snack. Well, it's not the kind of silicone I like. Just kidding. I don't really care for. I like it all. Put it that way. And we got this camera, Action 5 Pro. I wonder why they call it the Pro and not just the Action 5. Is there? I didn't even look to see if there was just a basic Action. Tighten the lens protector cover before taking in weather. Oh, all right. Does that come off or something? Let me see. I shouldn't probably be messing with it. So yeah, that thing looks pretty sweet. Very similar to the GoPro. Has the little compartment on the bottom. Looks like it has one on the side as well. So then we got the little camera here. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, and then we got, it just says accessories. So I'm gonna try to bust this open real quick. I don't want this to be a super long video. I just want it to be something that shows you what's in the box if you get it. Quick connect with another mount. Sweet. USB-C cord. We've all got a million of those laying around now, it seems like. Ooh, quick start guide. I'm gonna need that bad rider. And then DJI little card. And then a sticker. And then this is the battery case. Let's get that bad rider open. Wow, very sleek and slim. I like that. Push the button. It says that none of them are fully charged. Wow, all 3 batteries in there. Oh, look in the lid for micro SD card storage. You guys see that? Nice. Well, that's freaking rad. So let me see here. Oh, there's something else. The rod of life. Well, let's see what this thing is made of. Wow, that's actually pretty nice. Oh, look in the bottom. It has a, I think that's 1/4 so that you can do a tripod on the bottom. I'm using it on this thing right now, so I can't really demonstrate that for you. But like I said, oh, what is this thing? Instructions. Rinse with clean water to remove sand after underwater usage. Do not use the extension rod during thunderstorms to avoid lightning strikes. They think this sucker's like 80 feet long or something. I gotta test that theory. I don't know. Oh wow. It's like, it feels like it's on like a gas shock absorber. Whoa, dude, that thing is freaking way long. I guess that's it, but look at that. Is it all in? I can't even all get in the screen. You shall not pass. See, look how long that thing is. It's got to be at least, yeah, I guess it is like 3.5, maybe 4 feet. I don't know. Do some math. 1.5 meters. I don't know what a meter is. I guess it's like 3 feet. But I like it because it's very, very smooth but firm. Like it doesn't feel like you're gonna extend it and it's gonna drop back in like a bunch of the cheaper selfie stuff. So, oh, has the dome. Should we bust these open too, just so you guys can see them? But so this is just in the basic. What was it called? The adventure combo. I like it. I might do a little video about the quick startup after this if you guys want to see it. I don't know. Whoa. Dropped it on the mic. Did you hear it go? Alright, which one is this? This must be the backpack. Yep, backpack strap. So basically, I paid too much money and I could have just made one of these things, but that's alright. And so you just mount it on there. Made it like this, way more gooders. I don't even know how these things. Oh, so the little clips down there. Oh, it's got magnet too. Did you guys know it was magnetic? I had no idea. There you go. It's got a magnet and it clips, so you can push the clips. And then if you're strong enough, that's a strong magnet. Impressive. Very impressive. So that's the backpack. And then we got this bad rider right here. Oh, that was another one of those. What that is? Let's see what this is. I'm not really sure what it is. Looks like some little scuff pads. Oh, it says it on the back. Oh, I guess this is how you actually stick it to the helmet. They give you a little lanyard, maybe in case it falls off, you don't lose your thing, and then they give you another one of these. Everybody always says like you can never have too many of those little screw things, but I had too many, and then all of a sudden I had none. I was like, where the hell go? Oh wow, this thing's like Jaws. Whoa. See that? And then it like has like teeth in there. That thing's strong too. That's kind of cool. I have to figure out how to use it. I'm guessing you just go hook it underneath and there's your mount. And then that's probably why they tell you to put the pads on there so you don't. Ow, dang it. That thing's freaking stronger than woodpecker lips. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys liked that little video. And come back in a little bit. Let me figure out how to use this bad rider. Thanks for following the channel, guys. Yeah, buddy. Bye now. Bye-bye now. Hey, I had my spectacles on this whole time.